हम जो भी बात कर रहे हैं, हाँ जी, I'll take a new, I'm going to refactor this project so you know that what I'm doing. I'm taking a new project. I'll take a class library of .NET side. Okay, so here I'm calling it as my calculator. No, I'll call it as calculator lib. Should be fine. It's a calculator lib. Okay, I'm adding it to the current solution. Created it came here. So when you come here, what I'll do is I'll grab this product and calculator and feed it here. Right, gentlemen? Shopping cart to ऐसे ही है. ठीक है? That is fine. First, let us build the calculator and we'll ensure that the calculator is referred here. So library right from projects, calculator is referred. When you refer, you have to resolve this. Okay? So this means calculator came and got injected here. This guy will be a separate guy for you. Who is discount? Okay, somebody is going to realize this now. Okay, this gentleman is telling, I'm looking for iCalculator, but I don't have this Vijay calculator and all these here. We are going to create another library. Add a new project. Excuse me, add a new project. I went to class library. I'll call this as calculator implementations. Calculator implementations. For this, you should know it should know iCalculator, right? So this library, calculator implementation, should know calculator library. Only then it will know what is iCalculator, right? So let us add the reference of this library to another library. Which one? Calculator lib. I have to add a reference in calculator implementation and go and realize the. So everything is fine for you. Okay? This is how it's going to be in the real time, right? This is your actual project, what you're developing. Okay, you're just using everything you want. But now the problem is, okay, you're telling DI key from where, but the assembly is also different now, totally for you. You got it? The assembly is also different, which comprises everything what you want. So what we'll do is, this calculator lib, either you can load it by using reflection. Is that clear? You can load the library by using reflection, or, okay, you have to refer it. Which one you want? Loading it through reflection, or you just want to, okay, let this also be. Initially it was here itself, right? You can see that in the video, how it was initially. Later I refactored it. Okay, in the real time you won't see this. I'll remove this. Let it be, later you see. Okay, now what I'll do is, I want to use reflection and get the code for you, which is that calculator lib I want to get from outside. So how will you get it? Help me. String ASM name is equal to configuration manager dot app settings. App settings में जाके adjust करो. So I was searching for what? ASM name रखेंगे. Okay, so which is your library? It's going to be calculator lib. Excuse me. It is going to be calculator lib. ठीक है यहाँ तक. And inside calculator lib, how is the not calculator lib, guys. It was calculator implementation. Sorry. Calculator implementations. And when you come here, it is calculator implementations dot that. Is that clear? So, abhi dekho jana, when you come here, I'm just getting the assembly name. Next step, what is it? Assembly.load. You all remember? Yes, sir. And then you're getting the key, and type. What is that I'm telling? Let this be for your reference, the previous what I did. ASM.get type, right? Which is going to be your type name. Is that clear? Excuse me. So let's go here and build it. Everything is ready for you. Oh, it's failed. This is hurting, the first one. Because that required my calculator, right? This I'll. Because my calculator removed and moved it to a different library. So I'll remove everything there. So only the other main is running now. Excuse me. You all understood, right, what I'm doing? Yeah, just build it. Sab theek thaak hai. Okay. Now when you run your code, you will get a beautiful exception saying it is not available. Why? This implementation is not available still. Getting it? Bin debug. This implementation library, whatever you're using, okay, that I have to feed it inside the application folder. I'll put it here directly because calculator lib will be there. Just like how I've put in deliverables. Now when you run it, everything is running for you. समझे क्या? That library is, we are using reflection, so it should be in that folder where the exe is running, right? अभी आपको अगर कॉपी करना है तो you have to copy which one? exe config, application and DLL. ये सारे ले लो, then go to deliverables, सारे delete करो because everything I reconfigured. सारे जाओ, and then go here, and now you see whatever you run will. Oh, which one? Ninjek remove कर दिया. Got the idea? So there's a separate library. Okay, this implementation separate. Tomorrow you can bring any DLL input which realizes I calculator and configure it here. समझे क्या? Okay. How many of you honestly understood this? Raise your hand. I'll stop the recording by the time.